resetting your Authy backup password is very simple. All right, what you're looking at here is a live view of my cell phone. I'm casting it to my computer, so I basically can place and receive calls as if I had the phone in my hands. So I'm going to actually reset my own Authy password for you to see. I'm going to log in. You're going to go to Settings. You're going to go to Accounts. You're going to click Change Password and just enter in your new password. Enter it again. Oops. All right. Now click Enable Backups. And that's pretty much it. Now, I'm going to repeat the same thing that I repeat across all my videos. You want to write down your password on a piece of paper. Do not take a digital copy. Do not email it to yourself. Don't send it to a friend or family member. Don't text it to yourself. Get a piece of paper, write it down, and put it in a safe. Maybe put it in some like a secure space in your house somewhere. All right. Now, in addition to that, now that you've changed your password, you need to enter that password across all devices that you have synced with your Authy account. For instance, I have Authy on my desktop as well. Okay. Now that I have it here, it's going to request that I enter in that same password, which is what I'm going to do here. And then you're good to go. Once you see this, you should be all set. I also have Authy installed on my Linux-based system. So when I'm done recording this video, I'm going to go and enter it there as well. Again, you're going to need to enter it across all devices. I'm going to repeat this one more time. Please write your password down on a piece of paper. Do not keep a digital copy. Hope this video helped. Thank you. Oh, subscribe and like the video. Appreciate it. Goodbye.